In this video, I will show you how to remove a tenant from the system. First, go to Resident Management and select the person you want to remove. Then, navigate to the clocking device section. Ensure that all devices are selected. You can choose to unselect or select all devices, or individual devices as needed. Next, select the icon labeled Delete Residents from Devices and confirm the action. Once completed, the software will confirm the deletion. Now, you can remove the tenant from the database. This can be done by either dragging the person to the Delete tab at the bottom or clicking the Delete button, shown as a bin icon. Although the tenant will be removed from the current list, they will be moved to the Deleted People section, allowing you to restore them at any time. You will now see that the person you removed is no longer visible under the current residents.